Hello, you're welcome to this video. This is Shedrach, and this video I'm going to give you the last quarter of the year price update across VTU reseller packages. Okay, so it is very important we update you on what is happening, especially has to do with our setup prices on the packages that we have on the platform. This is actually a Star Mobile update. And for those of you that are joining us, this is Legit Cash Business TV, a place where you learn how to make money via cryptocurrency trading, telecom business. We also cover digital marketing, and we do general mobile app development. So the only way you can get this kind of updates is to subscribe to the channel, subscribe, turn up the bell notification icon so that you can receive updates anytime we make this kind of updates. We do cover videos that cut across how to build different applications and how to make money on the internet. So let's go back to the video properly. Now, we did an announcement earlier today about the update on the bulk order portal. The same thing is also affected on the VTU reseller page. So when you are here, all you have to do is to click on VTU reseller page, which is VTU reseller. I'm going to just briefly explain the few things that was updated because it's very important you get notified of the features that is currently on the system. So here, if you look at this place, where the starter reseller was 18,200, but right now is 19,200. Okay. So, but let me just go down. If you scroll down, if you're on this page, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. So if you scroll down, you can see here that the first package, okay, let me go here. Okay, I'm going to scroll down here. You will see that this starter reseller is now 19,200. So please, is a typo error here. The one a hot reseller is 48,500. Okay. Then there is also some updates on the business telecom, which is now 215,000 for setup, while that of advanced telecom is 3.2 million. As we have also updated the prices, that is also applied to the products. So because these are the most of the frequently asked questions on WhatsApp. Okay, these are errors. Okay, this is supposed to be 48,500. Okay, not 48,000. In this place, the starter reseller, the SME 1 gig here is 210 naira per gig, while that of hot reseller is 205 naira. The business telecom, the 1 gig is let me take it down, 200 naira. That's the business telecom. Why the advanced telecom, which is 3.2 million, is the price is 180 naira per gig. Before it was 190 naira. So those of you that are on this package, please take note and update your network, your VTU network with this price so that you can get things cheaper. So what this thing is telling you is that this is a time for you to start VTU business. Okay. We overemphasize it even on our YouTube channel. You don't need to a kind of, I don't know what else to say, because this time around you can make a lot of money. Okay. Whether if you are coming in as a starter or as a middleman or a big man in the business, whichever package you are coming in, you are making money. If you are coming with a starter package, you are making a lot of money. Imagine if you get SME for 210 and then you are selling at 300 or 250, for instance. You are making 40 naira per se. Okay, you see how the money comes in, and then you have like maybe roughly you have 500 customers, and they are buying 1 gig a day. So 1400 times by 500, that is what, 20,000 a day. Then if you times it by 30 days, is 600,000 you'll be making. So I believe you know the power of calculation. Then if you go back to hot reseller, which is 48,500, you are going to be making a lot of money. So if you are selling at 250, you'll be making 45 naira as gain. Then multiply with the quantity that is being ordered on your website daily. You'll be surprised how much you'll be making per day. So that's just how the VTU business work. So we have so many things we are having in stock in the business. So, but the only way you get started is to pick a package. We have so many packages in the platform. So, but the good thing about it is that each of these packages give you an equal right to participate. An equal right to participate means that you can start with a little package and then upgrade later. So you can see here we have the master reseller, which will be updating you on it soon on the channel, on Legit Cash Business channel. We're going to be talking more about this master reseller because people don't know that this master reseller is a hot cake on YouTube. So we also have the SIM hosting solution, we have the reseller, we have the new VTU script. Then we also have the VTU portal creator for those of you that want to own the business. They will now have the work with Mr Shedrach, which is a VTU boot camp code. As a matter of fact, by next month, we'll be launching a very sophisticated e-learning system that will cover just training on VTU technology. So all these are what we are having on stock with you. We started a program called bulk VTU order, which is now up to 5 months old and is working strong. You can also pick a package from here. So if you are interested to get started, all you have to do is to make up your mind on the package you are to pick. You can click on the pricing sections, evaluate the prices across each of the packages, pick one, make your payment, and communicate to our support team on WhatsApp. We're online 247. Okay, so your website will get started. Okay, if you go to WhatsApp, don't ask too many questions. Most of your questions are on this YouTube channel. All you have to do is pick a package here, anyone at all, and then get started right away. Get started right away. So that's it on these updates. And please do subscribe, like, and share this video because we do release a video almost every day. Sometimes we even do release video 3 times in a day. So you'll be updated beforehand once you hit the subscription button and will get connected full time. Thanks and God bless. I'm going to see you in the next video.